So from what you've told me today, peer software is very complementary to the software-defined storage space. If an organisation's been using, let's say, a NetApp filer or an EMC file, it doesn't really matter, but they've got a particular vendor and they've got some hardware in their data centre, and for whatever reason they want to move away to a different vendor, or maybe they're looking at a different way of managing their compute, so they're moving away from traditional servers and storage and looking at some hyper-converged environment. Does peer software support that, and does it help that environment?
Yeah, very much so. It's probably one of the top 5 questions that we get from all of our customers, really. Whenever anybody's looking at altering their environment and changing platforms, not many customers actually say, I'm going to rip and replace everything from day one. Some do, but most of them don't.
It's very difficult to do that because there's ways that everything's interlinked and they can't.
Yeah. So because of our API integration, from day one we can come in, work with their existing infrastructure, and the customer is able to seamlessly start moving their data from, say, one vendor to another without any downtime or anything. Because remember, at the heart of our products is a real-time replication engine.
Yeah.
So we're replicating that data in real time. It can be used for migrations, if you like.
Yeah.
But that is, we're able to work in these multi-vendor environments without any disruption.
So we've just spoken about how you can actually use peer software in that migration from one vendor to another vendor, but in a scenario where they just needed additional storage and the old platform was fine, it was going to run for another couple of years, introduce a new vendor, different technology, but still unstructured file data. Can peer software support that, help that environment?
Yeah, I mean, in the legacy world, users would have to take care of what they're connected to,
yeah,
and be their responsibility. But with peer GFS, we take that responsibility from them, if you like. We take care of that issue
and just present that as one drive to the user.
Yeah,
excellent.